Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust the friends list settings on Steam. So in order to do this, let's open Friends and Chat. From here, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of our screen. Now in the friends list there should be a few settings which we can change. So here you can append the nicknames to a friend's names, and as you can see I have nicknames added to my friends like this. So right now it's off and I can see their nicknames that I customized myself. Now if I enable it, I'll be able to see their nicknames and right next to it their real nickname. Next is to group friends together by a game. So for example, if you have multiple friends and they're playing the same game, you'll be able to see them in one tab. Like this one is playing Total War 3 Kingdoms, and if somebody else would be playing it, he would be underneath it, and if somebody else would be playing something different, he would be above it or down below, playing different game. Next is to hide offline friends in custom categories. So if we disable it or enable it, we won't be able to see our offline friends while they're in our custom categories that we just created. Because I have this one because I only play Hunt Showdown with these people, so if I hide it, I'm not seeing them because they're offline. Hide categorized friends in online offline friends. So if you enable or disable it and you have categorized friends in your friends list, they will also be online or offline. They'll be visible or not, whether you enable or disable the setting. There's also ignore away status when sorting friends. So if you see people by categorized and enable or disable the settings, and as you can see they are categorized by name in alphabetical order, but if you enable it, they'll be categorized by their status instead of their name. Next is to sign in to friends when Steam client starts. So if you want to disable it, you won't sign in when you turn on your Steam client, and if you want to be visible for your friends when your Steam client starts, you can leave that enabled. Enable animated avatars and animated avatar frames in your friends list and chat. So you can either enable or disable that, and if you disable that, all the animations stop on their avatars and frames. If you enable it, it starts again. And that's how you customize your friends list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.